Hello, good day everyone. I'm Tefs. Welcome to this channel. Today's video is a Prestige 32 inches LED TV. It's turning on but a dark video appears on the screen. I will show you how to fix it. If you like electronics, or you are a beginner at repairing LED TVs, then you should subscribe to this channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started. This dark image or no backlight issue is always the LED bulb is the problem, and also the inverter. Always check the inverter first before removing the LCD panel to check the LED backlights. Voltage is present at about 60 volts DC, but that does not mean that the inverter is okay. If the TV is turned on, the 60 volts measured onto the output of the inverter should increase to about 90 volts or more, but it stays at 60 volts while the TV is on. Seems the inverter is not working. This diode measures shorted. Let's use the digital multimeter and set it to continuity mode. Beep means short circuit. It's beeping. This diode is shorted.
And that can be problematic, especially in some other things. Hybrid is required at least for USB connection, and it may be, in some devices, required for the phone to be. So, let's do a couple of quick things. Single piece of braid. Here we go, there's some braid. And let's see what would chat do. Yeah, let's just kind of do a little bit of a workaround. Not to be a phone again, but just to kind of see. Alright, so we'll get rid of VSW. And we're going to put what we remember, right? VSW. Alright, if we take out speakers in the system, yeah. Alright, so we're going to go right down here. This guy. This guy. And go up in the air a little bit. Okay. So I have made a tiny little jumper. And I'm just using my finger to make sure that we are all good. Beeping in is back up to 0.32, that's normal. And let's just make sure nobody's fucking around over here. Not around. jumper is done, and now we're going to show you the other jumper that I'm for you guys to see just a test so that we can kind of see whether or not more work to be done, or do we get to go straight to data recovery.
This is an ultra-fast rectifier diode.
Alright, now let's go back and we are going to make a jumper from battery VCC right over to VCC.
I will use this MUR 460, its ultra-fast rectifier about 460 volts reverse voltage. I also use this for 12 volts and 24 volts rectifiers in my other previous videos and it works. This is the diode position guide.
Work on working phones when you're learning how to advice so that you can figure out, do you even need this MOSFET? I've got another device that I'd like to stream this week. What happens when you put on the wrong jumper? I'd like to know, maybe you guys know in chat, where are people getting information about how to make a jumper for 2020? I would love for somebody to translate some of these videos. And this probably could be shorter and simpler. The answer is, you gotta look for a big wire, a figure out wire. And let's see, can still set it. There we go. And find my board. And there's wire that we don't want to use. Alright. So we're going to plug in DC power.
Now let's put it back together and see if it works. Seems working now.
A few moments later.
The TV is working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also hit the bell so you will never miss a video like this. Once again, this is Tefs. See you again next time. Bye for now.